Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about something we all can relate to, my daily routine. Sharing your daily routine is a great way to practice English fluently. So, let's begin. I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is check my phone. I know it's not the best habit, but that's what most of us do, right? After that, I freshen up and drink a glass of warm water. It really helps me feel refreshed. Then I go for a short walk or do some light exercise. A little movement in the morning keeps me active throughout the day. Around 7:30, I have my breakfast, usually something light like oats or toast with tea. While eating, I sometimes listen to motivational podcasts or English stories. It helps me stay positive and improve my language at the same time. By 8 o'clock, I get ready for work. I prepare my lessons, check my schedule, and start my online English classes. Teaching English is something I truly enjoy because I get to meet learners from different backgrounds. I usually take a short break in the afternoon to have lunch and relax for a while. Sometimes I watch short English videos or read articles to keep learning new words. In the evening, I spend time with my family or play with my children. That's the most relaxing part of my day. After dinner, I plan my next day and reflect on what I accomplished. Finally, I go to bed around 10:30 with a sense of satisfaction. So, that's my daily routine, simple but meaningful. All right. Now let's quickly go through some useful words from today's video. So the first phrase is throughout the day. This phrase means during the entire day from morning till night. For example, I stay energetic throughout the day after my morning walk. Reflect on. To think carefully about something that happened. For example, at night, I reflect on what I did during the day. Accomplished. It means successfully completed or achieved something. For example, I feel accomplished when I finish all my tasks for the day. So, these are the words you can use in your daily conversation to sound more natural and confident. Try making your own sentences using them. That's the best way to remember. Thank you for listening, and let's meet in next video. Keep practicing, keep learning.